of the best VPN application around the world. Very, very simple, very easy to use. So make sure you watch the full video and stay tuned.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Watch the home screen of the application. As you can see here, very simple, guys. And over here, 3 lines, you pretty much have the proxy filtering option, which pretty much has all VPN has. And here you have some other features which you can pretty much rate the application and share with your friends and so forth. Nothing much. So to pretty much connect this VPN here, you pretty much have to go at the top here where see the globe icon. This is where you pretty much go to select your server. So before you try to connect or select any server, make sure you at the top here where you see this circle icon, green circle icon here, tap on it, and it will refresh the server list to the best working servers. So as you can see here, quite a lot of servers, guys. I'm not gonna joke. A lot of servers are on this application here. So some of them you may see a premium icon, which pretty much means you need a premium subscription to get or to use these servers. So most of these servers, you have location within them. Let's say United States, you have different location within United States, which you can use as well. So let's say you want to use Chicago, you can go ahead just select the server, and then you go here and tap on connect, and you're pretty much good to go. So the subscription page, you pretty much tap on the pro icon at the top here where it says the melon icon dancing, and here you will see the subscription page. So this you can see here what to be getting and the prices. Also you get a 3 days free trial. You can go ahead, get the 3 days and test out your server. I'm telling you guys, it's crazy fast. And yeah, that's really pretty much it for that there. As you can see, the prices for the monthly and the prices for the yearly subscription. So that's pretty much it for there. And once you've done setting up everything, you can go ahead and connect the VPN, and you're pretty much good to go. All I gotta do is just tap on this here. Will require you to watch an ad maybe like 30-second ads, and will give you 30 minutes connection time. So that's pretty much it. So once you're connected and it would ask for connection request, tap on OK, and you're good to go. So that's really pretty much it. So if I've missed anything at all, please comment below. I'd love to help you guys. And what else, guys? Make sure to subscribe to my channel. You know, if you both. See you guys in the next tutorial.